Django REST Framework. Return 404, not 400, on post if related field does not exist. I'm developing a REST API which takes post requests from some really brain-dead software which can't patch or anything else. The posts are to update model objects which already exist in the database. Specifically, I'm posting data for objects with a related field, a slug-related field, as the poster knows the name attribute but not the park. However, I need to return a 404 if the poster sends data where the name returns nothing on the slug-related field. For example, the related object does not exist. I've been through this with the debugger, but it seems that DRF uses some Django signals magic to do it the way DRF does it, which is to return a 400 bad request. I don't know how to modify this, only when it's the above condition and not a true 400 worthy post, into a 404. By the way, pre_save in my view is not executing during execution of the failing test. Here's the serializer. And here's the view where pre_save isn't being run in the given test, but does get run in some others. And for good measure, here's the failing test. If I put a breakpoint in at the self.rest_client.post call, the response already has a 400 in it at that point.
Instead of using pre_save, why not override post in your API view? Make sure you import DRF status. Also, note you will likely want to be more specific with the exceptions you catch. Django's get method will return either does no text if nothing matches or multiple objects returned if more than one object matches. The relevant documentation. Note that there is a difference between using get and using filter with a slice of 0. If there are no results that match the query, get will raise a does no text exception. This exception is an attribute of the model class that the query is being performed on, so in the code above, if there is no entry object with a primary key of 1, Django will raise entry.doesNoTexist. Similarly, Django will complain if more than one item matches the get query. In this case, it will raise multiple objects returned, which again is an attribute of the model class itself.
You can use a Django shortcut for that, getting the obj.sample.